We are in the part of the market right now where majority of the market participants are calling for, like, this is the cycle top. The bull market is over. We are not going to have any alt season. But I want to keep you guys straight. We are going to have alt season and altcoin season, but not the kind of alt season you are expecting. I don't think this is going to be the alt season. We're going to have this alt season where everything just run together, where everything, we might, but you can only work on the best probability based on what this market is giving to you. And this is one thing I've been talking about on my Telegram channel, because I always share what I think about the markets, like some trades, some meme coin trades as well, airdrops and stuff. So the link is in the description. So we're just going to go straight. This is what I shared January 26th. I said I want to share a little bit of my thesis on understanding about the market dynamic, this tough market that will help us navigate this tough market conditions. This might not be what you want to hear, but by the way the market is projecting, we are going to have a trader's cycle and not an investor cycle. What this means is we are going to have, you need to learn how to trade. I'm not sure this is going to be the time for you to be a pro, start learning how to trade and be a pro. But I think right now is the time for you to start learning the basic TA, learn to use learn support, resistance, RSI, using moving average. These are the little things that are going to help you stay ahead. Let's still dive in. So yeah, I shared about last cycle we have like 50,000 token created, but right now we have about 20,000 new meme coins created every day, all for the because of pump.fun. Because you guys know pump.fun. Pump.fun, this Solana meme coin platform where you can just create meme coins. So this, so much of tokens outside now with less capital coming into the market. You see how spread. So let's just let's have a quick scenario here. So imagine 1 billion coming to the market and going into 50,000 tokens. It will move the market very well. So now imagine that same 1 billion coming into 5 million tokens. You see how spread is going to be. So that's why one thing you need to pay attention on, you need to know how to move in and move out. You need to know how to trade, because this market right now is moved by narratives. So I just want to give you guys a clear, so what is the solution? At least based on past cycles, based on past data and metric, we should be swimming in alt season now, because last year by this period, we are smashing it hard. I remember like our altcoins moving like 10x, 20x, 100x this period. So we should be in that same position now. But what is happening? It's just like things have changed. And something again is, when the whole market expects something, the market always do the opposite. That is just one thing I want you guys to keep in your mind. So if everybody is expecting, for example, when they say October, remember last year October, it was like October. So imagine that period, everybody was calling for October. By the first day of October, we need to start pumping. We need to start pumping right now. But we spent the first 2 weeks of October dumping. Like Bitcoin was dumping the hair. Let me just go October. Let's see if we can bring that out. Yeah, okay. This is October 13, September, October. Yeah. So everybody here, October 1st, we are waiting for October. This is the beginning of October. This is October here. So we wanted to smash in this October and bang and just keep going. But for the first up to here, for like the first 11, 12 days, we were just going down. So this is the same thing I would say it's happening right now with February, because I think this month is actually good for altcoins, but alt season is not, we've not even started the alt season, but I'm just going to share you guys my strategy, how I am playing this alt season. So first, why I say you have to know how to do a little bit of TA. Let's first take a look at Bitcoin dominance. What does this Bitcoin dominance mean? It means if this dominance is going up, it means Bitcoin, it's better to be in Bitcoin than in altcoin, because Bitcoin, it's outperforming majority of the altcoin. So if you see here, we had this around November, Bitcoin dominance came down. That's when we had all this October, like this whole pump we had, this alt season we have. Bitcoin dominance rise up, altcoins suffer. Goes down, altcoins rally. Rise up now, altcoins is suffering. And if you can see, most of your altcoins are back to like the lows. They are like the lows. That's why I shared this post. This is on Thursday. I said, personally, I wouldn't advise anyone to start buying aggressively now. It's better to make the market decide its direction first before making big moves. If you treat this first dip as the last one, considering the ongoing manipulation from Binance and Wintermute, I expect we either fill the 95K week candle, which, let's go to the Bitcoin chart. Yeah, this is the week I'm talking about. We have to fill, or experience one more painful flush down to the 80K region. My advice, consolidate your position. Focus on less risky, high quality altcoin. Avoid spreading too thin across too many coins. You can just use a very little position of your portfolio to gamble, to play meme coins as gamble. But our advice to consolidate your portfolio into major top projects like layer one, top tested narratives with use case like real world assets, DeFi, and I'm adding this PayFi here because there's going to be a narrative of PayFi coming, and I want you guys to keep your eyes on that. I'm still going to make a video about this, so that's why you need to subscribe here. So let's just keep following this market back to back, and some sprinkle of gaming. The market is at a critical point. Don't frustrate. Stay patient and wait for clear signal. Why am I sharing about this week, and why I'm saying that we can come down to this place, but let's not go back then. We have some kind of a little thing to give us to put bullishness in our vein that we can still go back up. So one thing I've learned in TA is that whenever we have this kind of crazy long weeks, like maybe when price dumps very quick and the market buys back the chart, like it's going to form this week here. This is the same week. When you see this kind of week, most of the time, like should I say 90% of the time, the price always come down to feel 50%, like half of this week. And if you see here, when we had this week here, you see this candle. When we had this week here, it came back to feel it here. We have this week here. You see, we are back now. We filled this same week here that we have. We'll filled it 50%. So this is just one thing I always look out for before I start jumping in. So Bitcoin, we've not actually filled this week. So for me to feel a little bit of bullishness, I need to see us filling this week at least. So if you support and resistance, this is another support level here. This is another support level here. So what is going to happen to your altcoins if Bitcoin drops down here? What is going to happen to your low cap altcoins? What if Bitcoin drops down to this to this range of 87, 89, 87, or even go back to 80K or 70 something, because what is going to happen to your altcoins? That is where I'm sharing you guys this. Consolidate your portfolio. Focus on less risky, high quality altcoins. Avoid spreading too thin. Avoid spreading too thin. And focus on top narrative that has been holding strong relatively to Bitcoin. Especially, let me give you an instance, Solana. If you see the Solana chart, what can you see? This place is like a support. It's been holding very well to this support. You know that, okay, since you can identify support, you can identify resistance. If Solana break down here, where is the next support range? You'll be hoping to find another support around this 160 range. That is good. Look at SUI. SUI to me now is looking kind of weak. Where was the previous support? I can still use this candle and say, okay, this 2.9, this place is but man, this to me, clearly the next support I am going to be seeing is this range, this 2.3, this let's just say 2.3 range is in, and this is exactly where this last sell-off week came into. So if we want to say, okay, 50% from this week, if SUI start bouncing from here, okay, we can take it out. Okay, this is the low for SUI then. But what if Bitcoin drops down to 96? If Bitcoin drops down to this 92K, or it goes down to 87K, what is going to happen to SUI? Where is the next support and resistance? Where is the next for SUI? It is down here. 2.3, 1.8. This is the kind of key area I will be expecting price to start to bounce back from. What is going to happen to your altcoin, to your small bag, if this market goes down? Because right now I'm not expecting this alt season. We can have a bounce and rally, but I'm not expecting this full-blown alt season yet. Why do I say so? Because there is this man here, Benjamin Cohen, is one of the best, is like one of the OGs. I'm not saying best, sorry, I'm not using that word, but it's one of the OGs that I watch and listen to, because he has his into the cryptoverse charts, his technical analysis that he used to like identify when there's quantitative tightening and easing. This is kind of a macro kind of thing, like how the federal prints money into the markets and how they remove money into the market. So if you want to know more about that, watch this video from Benjamin Cohen, why has autism not happened? And I share the same thesis with him, because he is a very smart guy when it comes to that. But let's take a look at now the market cap of Bitcoin and the crypto total market cap. Look at the crypto total market cap. What are you seeing? Okay, it is holding a kind of support here, support at this range, yeah. And this is just like, okay, into this 50% week that we have. This can still come down. If this crypto total market cap still come down, drop down to this 2.8, what will happen to your low cap altcoins? That is why I want you guys to start thinking now, because that's why I shared this advice here. Consolidate your portfolio. Again, let's go and look at another chart. Okay, this is the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin and ETH and Ethereum. Where is the next clear support and resistance? Let me remove this. Where? It is here. You see that if the market drops down again another 9%, this is total 3. This is excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is your Solana, Cardano. Excuse me. So if this goes down 10%, What will happen if your Solana goes down? Let's count 10% from here. Okay, if total crypto market cap goes down like 10%, Solana can drop down like 15%. What will happen to your small altcoins? I'm still going to show you guys the chart of those small altcoins as well. This one, let's go to, yeah. Okay, this is the crypto total market cap dominance excluding top 10. Like this is crypto total market cap excluding top 10 dominance. So where is this now? This crypto total excluding top 10, excluding the top 10 big altcoins. This is showing a little bit of, okay, we are finding a kind of support here. But the crazy part where I want you guys to be careful is this next chart that I'm going to show you guys. This is orders. Orders, like this is where your low cap, your micro cap sits in. And what this is showing me clearly, let's put it on the weekly. What this is showing me clearly is this is breaking structure. What I mean by this is breaking structure is that if we consider this place as a place this is resistance, price came back here, tested this area as support. This is just I'm not a professional when it comes to TA, but I just know the basic and I use the basic in my strategy on how I trade. So look at how price, it's resistance, now test it as support, bounce. This is orders. This orders chart is the crypto total market cap, like your not crypto total market cap, like your orders from 100, from your 1 to 100. This is your degen. What are you seeing here now? We are having test as support, but instead it has broken structure. This is the same thing that is happening to your microcap altcoins now. I'm going to just use Xbudge, which is one of my favorite gaming altcoin, as an example. If I put this on the daily, if you see, like here, this has been holding this range here as a kind of support for a while. It's been holding here this range here, but see, it has broken structure. What are you seeing now? It's just dropping. If the market pumps back, except we have a kind of gaming season, this is definitely going to still bleed down more. But if you're in project like, for example, Solana, that are just holding support, that are in key support area, I don't know if this is making sense to you. If the market comes back, these are the charts that will start moving first. And at the same time, it is safer for you than when you are holding, like, for example, let's look at a meme coin, which is Michi. You know, I'm not biased about this now. This is okay, I don't have Michi on my, but let's use like a gaming coin, which Heroes of Mavia. I shared to you guys also on here in my group when I was cutting my position out of Mavia. Mavia has been holding this place as a support. Mavia is one of the big crypto gaming projects that I've been sharing to you guys. I love Mavia. I'm so bullish on Mavia, but this thing has been testing support, and then it has finally broken down this support. I shared you guys around 9 here. I told you guys I'm cutting out of this. Things doesn't look right with the project. Like, I shared everything here in my group when I was cutting out. But now, if you are still holding onto this coin, what has it been doing? Bleeding down. And even if you say you buy the dip around this place, you will still be down 70% from your position. That's why I'm sharing this to you guys. Consolidate your position. Focus on less risky, high quality altcoins. Focus on narratives that are like narrative that have high market mind share, like layer ones, which is like your Solana, your SUI, Solana, SUI, you know. XRP have actually been doing fine. Like if you see XRP chart, you see this last week we had, it went very brutal. But if Bitcoin goes up now, you know, XRP is already showing you its support level. Okay, if the price goes down, this is going, we don't like XRP, but this is going to, this has a clear support where you know that, okay, price can definitely bounce back from here. If the market goes bullish, yeah, this can still continue and start trending up. But if you're holding coins like this, there is zero strength in this coin. There is zero strength right now. This is the same coin that is sitting in the basket of these orders. Orders has lost its clear. Let me go back to the weekly. So it has lost its clear support here around this area. It has lost this. We don't have any support. The next place that we're going to be seeing any support for orders for these your diligence coins is that they're going to go down another 33%, 34%. So if this total market cap, if this orders market goes down 33, 34%, what is going to happen to your micro cap altcoins? You should decide what you want to do to that by yourself. Again, the RSI on this is showing further downside. Where is the, just put it in your head, where is the next support? Take any chart you want to, if you don't know how to use this, go to tradingview.com, open any chart. The place that you see that the chart has been, the price has been hitting, it's hitting, bounce back, cannot break, hit, bounce back, cannot break, hit. This place is called resistance because it's not allowing it to pass through, it's resisting it. But when it's coming back to test it, that is support. So now it has broken back from this support level. I'm being honest to you guys, with what I am seeing here, the market is still going to bleed. Bitcoin, if Bitcoin bleed 1%, altcoin bleeds 5%. Shit. This is not too much chatting, but I just want to show you guys the strategy I'm doing. If Bitcoin now, okay, let's feel this goes down to like 93, 94, this market will bleed down. If your Solana don't hold this 185 range, it's going to drop down to 160. Imagine this big alt having this kind of big drawdown, 13%. What is going to happen to your microcap altcoins? This one, I'm going to leave this one to you guys. I'm going to leave. This is just basic thing. I just want you guys to just keep in your mind. What is going to happen to your altcoins? It's going to bleed. And right now, I don't see any reason why. Let me not use the word reason, but I don't see any chance of us, like, we can start rally and pumping, but based on macro factor, like based on what these feds are doing. Like I said, follow this guy Benjamin Cohen. Watch, he always give clear. He's good. He's good. He's somebody I can recommend to follow. Until this federal government starts printing money, the times we always have this odd season is when federal government start printing money into the cycle. That's when people can take in more risk. You know, Bitcoin to these big TradFi people, these billionaires, these people that control millions, this TradFi is very, very risky. Before that money would push out from your Bitcoin to go into odd season, there needs to be a kind of way of quantitative easing. That's what they call it. Like, Fed needs to like put money. Everybody needs to be very good about the economy. But right now, things have not been good. The last time we had this tax that this recent tax this, tax that, that's what brought us back down, this slang bank. What do you want to do with your portfolio now? That's what I just want to leave to you. I just want to this is not, I don't know if I'm sure you guys understand what I'm trying to say, but this is not for you to, this is not too much for me to rant. It's just showing you guys what I'm doing. If you are in a kind of, crazy positions you don't think you can hold, this is not financial advice, that you cannot sit up and expect this coin to still go down 30%. Just how this orders chart is looking. If you cannot stomach your coins to go down another 20-30%, what I will personally suggest is cut this loss now. It's better to be in the game, have some capital to still be in the game, than to lose it all and start waiting for another cycle. If I'm down like 40% and I see that the coin I'm holding has broken structure, man, I cut out from that position because there is no interest in that now. But if you see these coins like, let's say, for example, Clearpool. Clearpool is a real-world asset project. You see, this one is still very, very in structure. Look at the RSI oversold on the weekly. Very good, higher, low, higher, very good trend. In a very good narrative, real-world assets. This is one I am looking to start accumulating. If you look at which one again? Yeah, see Cookie on the weekly. This one is already smoked. If you bought Cookie around December, you've round-tripped the whole gain if you didn't take profits. So this one now, this is the next support I'm going to be looking to buy into. This one is in a leading narrative. Like I shared, you should be in a kind of top narrative. This one is in AI. So Cookie is AI. Man, I just go and do your research. Go to CoinMarketCap, go by categories, find the narratives you AI agents and AI. I wouldn't say just go play all your bag on AI agent. DeFi. Just find this top leading narrative by Mindshare and then open the chart. Make sure the chart has support and resistance. Find where is the support. Where do you think that, okay, if this price comes here, this is a buying area. If this price cuts below this place, this is a selling area. You just need to learn this basic of support and resistance. If you look at SUI now, where is the next support for me here? SUI is a bullish layer one. I will just be patient. From this 2.3, 1.8, I will buy SUI. I know that there's a high chance it will probably consolidate from here and go up. And if SUI starts closing below this area, I cut off my position. Risk management. I wait. Where is the next support resistance? I find it again. This is how you do it. This is how you trade it. I hope this video makes sense a little bit, because I don't know. I tried as much not to make this long, but I just need to explain some things to you guys. It's better to still have some capital to deploy when the market resume than to lose it all. Like if you hold meme coins, like my Michi position, you know, you guys, I'm a full Michi bull. I love Michi. Most of these meme coins now, they are like down 90. Or if you cannot stomach, then that's why I always say you should put like very little of your capital into meme coins, like very small. I always trade with like a couple hundred, like, or if I'm too bullish, I put 1,000 like that. But these are positions that I believe that I can sleep with. If it goes down, okay, I still have a belief that it can go back up, or it's go to zero, I can sleep with. But if you know you cannot stomach another 30% down, it's better you let the market decide where we are going. Let the market hit a key spot. If we are going to go down, let's go down to a key area. You buy there, okay, then we can start trending up. Because at the end of the day, Bitcoin moves everything. If Bitcoin now feels this 50% and bounce from here, yeah. If you want to play safe, you just wait. Once Bitcoin start clearing off this 106 100,000 range, you come back into the market, or you wait to see what is happening, or we take down this low of 91 or go down, there is a chance we can still come down. But what if we come down? What are you going to do with your portfolio? Are you still going to be in the game, or are you going to be totally out? Bitcoin dominance looks like it's going to slow down soon. This is the time you need to evaluate your portfolio. If this dominance goes back a little bit upside, altcoins are still going to suffer. But if we come down, altcoins are going to rally. This period, you should use this period to restructure your portfolio. That's what I want to share with you guys. I hope this video finds you well, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you enjoy content like this. If you like this, you know what to do. Just drop a like, subscribe to this channel. I'm going to see you guys on the next one. But this is not financial advice. Just take care, and at some point, we're going to witness this alt season that everybody wants. So until then, goodbye and cheers for now, guys.